Hi guys, welcome back to a video with your girl Chrissy. I am caramelizing some onions. Anyway guys, yes, I'm caramelizing some onions here with some butter. And we're just going to let it get a little brown. And yes, that is some white sugar, regular sugar, and some brown sugar I'm adding.
Why scared you like this?
Well, I'm making baked beans. Yes, I do put sugar and onions. And if I had green pepper, I'll put green peppers in there as well. So moving along, we're going to season up some chicken with our garlic and herb grilling and seasoning, total seasoning. And of course, we're going to add some complete. Wouldn't be a meal, wouldn't be the chicken leg without complete. Yes, and some paprika for coloring. And some Sazon Tropical. And of course, we're going to add a little bit of mustard for the crunch. So we're going to give this a whisk around the bowl. And guys, I almost forgot, but yes, I added a little bit of cornstarch as well, so that the skin will be crunchy. So we're just going to whisk this around the bowl a little bit and make sure all of the chicken is coated. Yes, guys, I have a new little wok here. I found it at Ross for $7.99. Go get you one. And yes, I'm frying chicken in it first because I want to. Judge Granddaddy. We're just going to fry up some wingdings in my new wok. So we're just going to let that simmer or fry. And I'm going to add some honey barbecue sauce to the baked beans as well. And our first batch of golden fried chicken is done. Yes, yes, yes. And see how it's crispy? It's not like wet looking skin. That's what I was going for. So yes, that's how I like my chicken. And guys, yes, we're going to fry up some Sonic fries. I just seen these at the grocery store. I'm like, oh, okay, I like Sonic's fries. So we'll try these. This is just a simple fried chicken and french fry, baked beans kind of night. And here is the plate with a little side of ranch dressing. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.